Have you taken equity release and now you're separating from your partner? Or are you looking to understand how this financial tool can help you during this challenging period? Well, by the end of this video, you'll know if equity release could be your untapped source of financial relief or a potential pitfall. Equity release is a unique borrowing method exclusively for senior homeowners who've paid off the mortgage with no remaining debts. Imagine tapping into your home's value without monthly loan and interest repayments. That's the power of equity release. However, this method comes with its complexities. Firstly, not everybody qualifies. You need to meet specific criteria. Age requirement, which is typically age 55 and above, own your home outright, and intend to continue still living there. Also, your property must meet certain valuation and building standards. Equity release in the UK falls into two categories: lifetime mortgages and home reversion plans. Lifetime mortgages have gained popularity due to their structure, where debt accumulates at a fixed compounding interest rate. Unlike a traditional mortgage, there are no monthly repayments, with the debt repaid when the homeowner either passes away or moves into aged care. On the flip side, home reversion plans involve selling a portion of your property to the lender for a discounted price. So, for example, selling 25% of a 200 grand property might fetch you 30 grand, far less than its actual value of 50 grand. Now, the big question: can equity release help during a separation? Yes, it can, but only if you're the sole homeowner. Some equity release providers might even help you buy out your ex-partner's share of the property, turning your shared home into your sole residence. This method, however, is intricate and calls for professional advice. I'm about to tell you something really important. Don't only consider equity release plans like lifetime mortgages merely to cover divorce costs, which tend to average around £2,000. Instead, you could explore other options like home equity loans or unsecured personal loans. If you already have an equity release plan and are going through a divorce, you may be wondering what happens next. This is where your equity release agreement comes into play. In most cases, the plan switches to a sole plan in the name of the person remaining in the property. If the property is to be sold as part of the divorce, the proceeds from the sale must first cover the equity release debt. Equity release can be a powerful financial tool, but it's crucial to consider the implications carefully. After all, equity release reduces the value of your estate and also might impact your entitlement to means-tested benefits. If you're interested in seeing if you could release equity, simply click the link below and fill out the short form. It contains a few questions like your property value and date of birth, and will give you access to quotes tailored to your circumstance. It's totally free to fill out, and of course it won't affect your credit score, so click the link below and fill out the short form to try it out.